Alright, let's go. Death time.
You know what time it is?
Oh my god.
My face when Bro starts attack stacking. I had 3 of those, dang it.
Well, good for you.
That works.
Yeah. No. Let me play a card. Why are you attack stacking, bro?
You have 12! And you see, I predicted that.
Oh, come on.
Take 16! How many turns do you even have?
I don't know. Oh, they're
Oh, it's gone now. I have a feeling.
No!
Ha!
You are a retard. Oh, that foils my plans. I put it on the bottom.
We're getting risky now. There was no reason to do that.
There is.
Oh my god, Blow, why are you attack stacking? I've got a feeling that this card will kill me. Yep, I knew it!
You can do that.
Oh my god,
I guess you
mirror saves.
I guess you can do that. I got an achievement. I got a
Now, do you have another mirror?
Yes.
You do not have another mirror.
Well, you don't know that. Oh, I'm dead.